Hello, it's me Tazeen Huma from IQRA University, Baloch Colony campus, the main campus. I'm very happy and excited to be here in the vintage film equipment room and to see all the equipments which are really very vintage and still they are 100 years later. The equipment working is still in a working condition. I'm really thankful to Miss Mehreen, who is the deputy director over here. She invited me, and in a very explanatory manner, the whole staff explained to my students the vintage film equipments, which are really an amazing experience over here. Thank you so much, Dan.